The Internet of Things, IoT, is a technology that maximizes the ability to collect and use data from a multitude of sources. Industrial products, factory systems, transport vehicles, etc. For the benefit of greater digitization and automation of data, with the ability to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence to create new business and value-added services for customers and consumers. Powua enables creating an IoT scenario in a few simple steps, reducing complexity and implementation costs, integrating heterogeneous systems and receiving data from any plant or machine. It's what we at Avantune call innovation without complexity. The Powua platform allows real-time data acquisition from different devices and can be simultaneously connected to external data sources, such as the company's ERP system, SCADA systems, or any other application or data present, even in a simple spreadsheet.